Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Lia Agustina from 5PA class. In this great opportunity, I would like to tell you about tools of data collection. So let us begin. First is about the meaning of data collection. Data collection is a methodical process of gathering and analyzing broad specific information to provide solution to relevant questions and evaluate the result. For collector of data, there is a range of outcomes for which the data is collected. But the key purpose for which data is collected is to put a researcher in a precise position to make predictions about future probability and trends. Next is data collection tools. The definition of data collection tools refers to the device or instrument used to collect data, such as a paper questionnaire or computer-assisted interviewing system. It is impossible to decide the tools for data collection because research is carried out in different ways and for different purposes. So in this case, I just want to explain about the method of data collection is interview. Interview is a face-to-face conversation between two individuals with the sole purpose of collecting relevant information to satisfy a research purpose. Conducting interview can help you overcome most of the shortfalls of the previous two data collection techniques that we have discussed here by allowing you to build a deeper understanding of the thinking behind the respondent's answer. And the next is interviews are of different times, namely. So interview there are three types to collect of data of interview. First is structured interview, second is unstructured interview, and the third is semi-structured interview. First is structured interview. A structured interview is a type of quantitative interview that makes use of a standardized sequence of questioning in order to gather relevant information about a research subject. This type of research is mostly used in statistical investigation and follows a premeditated sequence. In a structured interview, the researcher creates a set of interview questions in advance, and these questions are asked in the same order so the response can easily be placed in similar categories. And the second is unstructured interview. An unstructured interview is a type of interview that is non-directive in nature. Here, the interviewer doesn't rely on a set of standardized questions, but adapt spontaneously when gathering relevant information from the respondent in line with the purpose of the interview. In some way, an unstructured interview is similar to an everyday conversation because of its informal and free-flowing nature. And the third is semi-structured interview. A semi-structured interview is a type of qualitative interview that has a set of premeditated questions yet allows the interviewer to explore new developments in the course of the interview. In some way, it represents the midpoint between structured and unstructured interview. In a semi-structured interview, the interviewer is at liberty to divide from the set interview question and sequence as long as he or she remains with the overall scope of the interview. And the next types of interview conduct for data collection. There are three major types of interview to collect the data. First is telephone interview. Telephone interview are widely used and easy to combine with online surveys to carry out research effectively. The second is face-to-face interview. Face-to-face interview or personal interview are one of the most used types of interview, where the questions are asked personally directly to the respondent. The third is email or fake interview. In these types, online research is growing more and more because consumers are migrating to a more virtual world, and it is best for its researchers to adapt to this change. The increase in people with internet access has made it popular that interview via email or web page stand out among the types of interview most used today. And the next, data collection tools for interview. For collecting data through interview, here are a few tools we can use to easily collect the data. First is audio recorder. An audio recorder is used for recording sound on this tape or film. Audio information can meet the needs of a wide range of people, as well as provide alternative to print data collection tools. The next is digital camera. Digital camera is that it can be used for transmitting those image to a monitor screen when the need arises. The third is camcorder. A camcorder is used for collecting data through interview. It provides a combination of both an audio recorder and a video camera. The data provided is qualitative in nature and allows the respondent to answer the question as exhaustively. The next is the important steps involved in interview. In these steps, there consists of three steps to involve in interview. First is design interview guide. First is think about who you will interview. Think about what kind of information you want to obtain from interview. Third is think about why you want to pursue in-depth information around your research topic. The next is develop an interview guide. Introduce yourself and explain that I am the interview. Devise your question so interviews can help answer your research question. Have a sequence to your question or topics by grouping them in themes. Make sure you can easily move back and forth between question or topic. Make sure your questions are clear and easy to understand. Don't ask a leading question. The third is plan and manage logistics. In this step, including of, do you want to bring a second interview with you? Do you want to bring a note take? Do you want to record interview? If so, do you have time to transcribe interview recording? Where will you interview people? Where is the setting with the least distraction? How long will each interview take? And do you need to address them confidentially? I think that's all, everyone. Thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.